Today I'm going to show you a t-shirt hack to make a 5-minute mask. My friend Jo saw my other video on t-shirt mask and she came up with her own version, and this is how she did it. This is a drawing of my t-shirt, and the purple line is where I'm going to trace with a pen and then come back and cut. From the top of the sleeve, measure 4.5 inches and make a mark. That is the top of your arch right here. The mark we just made is this point right here. From there, there's a hem on the sleeve that's probably about 1/2 inch to 3/4 inches wide. We're going to start a line there. We're going to go from our center marking down to that point. And then we're going to make another curve that goes from our center point here across to where the armhole and the part of the shirt here meet. I'm not sure if that made sense, but draw this little arch line like this. And then from here, I want 1.5 inch line. I'm going to start at the shoulder seam here, which is right here on the drawing. That's where I'm starting from. And from there to there, I'm going to do 1.5 inches. And all the way down the sleeve, I'm going to measure the 1.5 inches. Then I'm going to measure 1.5 inches on the shirt as it goes down. I'm going to kind of make an arch from here to here. That. And then I'm just going to sort of arch it down. It's not quite all the way at the bottom, but I'm going to end, curve inward here like this. This curves inward, but there's still probably 4 or 5 inches here. Now I'm going to cut my purple line. First, I'm going to cut out my arch. I'm going to start at the bottom and cut towards the top. This is the center of the t-shirt once you open it up. From the point up to here, you just want to cut a line straight up. And these are your 2 ties to tie your mask. Okay, time to try it on. Put the mask over your head. If you have long hair, just get your hair out from underneath. It will go up above your ear like this. And then just take your ties. And there it is, the 5-minute face mask. You can also take your ties, put them around the back of your neck, cross them over, and tie underneath like that. From there, you can also, if you want it up closer to your face on the bottom part, you can fold it up and tuck your ties in like this. It's all just a matter of how you want to wear your mask. I like mine all the way down and tied in the back. There's a couple things you can also do in addition to the 1 layer. If you cut the other side of your t-shirt exactly the same, you can have a 2-layer mask. You just put one inside the other and put it on like that. You can also use an additional filter material, such as a paper towel. And the mask will keep it snug against your face. If you do a double t-shirt mask, you can put your layer of paper towel between the 2 layers of fabric, and you have triple thickness of protection like that. I want to thank my friend and partner in crime, Joanna Hearn, also known as Mean Kitty, for coming up with this stellar idea to make a t-shirt mask. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and check back. I put up new videos all the time. Thank you.